All right, so we know it's really not about the game because the game solidifies the wrong process of interaction between the team members in a respective. What you want to think about is the process itself. The process, like I talk about influencing God, authority, and persuading the bear, find the link below. The process is really where the meat is at. So if you control the process, you control the results of your perspective. What do I mean by that? So I really like having people pair at the start of the retro, so you discuss with one another rather than have a big team interaction. Even if it's a virtual retrospective, I'll have team members call each other in the first 15 minutes and talk about, hey, what went well, what we'll do differently, any key ideas. So if you control the process, you control the interaction, and that's crucial to understand. Stop doing the games, start thinking about how you design a process that is collaborative, that gets everybody's focus, everybody's attention. Working in pairs and dyads and triads at the beginning of the retro gets great results. Now tomorrow I have a webinar, totally free. Find the link below, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday the 13th. Funny that. And it's going to be my quest for business agility, and it's part of a keynote I've been offering. Feel free to register, the link below. Next time I'm going to talk about liberating structures for process in a retrospective. Thank you for listening.